Bratans, what's up? This is the third video at this day, but I want to do it because I don't want that you get wrecked. Because I told you, let's go straight into the charts about the Bitcoin charts. My trades I will also show you. Guys, I told you today, yes, we see this bull flag, but don't jump into a long position, in my opinion, right? Because yes, it is a bull flag, it is a bullish pattern, a bull flag is a bullish pattern, but I told you it could be a fake out, and we have too much resistance coming from this yellow line and coming from this daily downtrend line, right? This resistance line, right? So, and what happened? The day is nearly closed. The stock market has nearly closed, right? And we see here a lot of fake outs. This candle, what you see here, this is all the long position which I get liquidated, right? And I warned you guys, I warn you since 3-4 days right now that I'm expecting a downtrend, right? A dump. Why? Let me explain you why I'm expecting. I found something new in the charts which I wanted to share with you, which based on the past looks very similar to what happened right now. Look at this. We have this this resistance line which I showed you since a few videos right now, which is from November, resistance since November. So it's approximately November, December, January. It's 3-month old resistance, right? So it's a pretty strong resistance. What we see consolidation, dump. We see consolidation, dump. We see consolidation, resistance, dump. Consolidation, dump. Consolidation, resistance, dump. And now what we see again, consolidation. And now it seems that we get rejected from this line, which is since November, which we see since November, right? So guys, please be here very, very careful. I'm expecting that we get rejected based on the past, and I'm not a Bitcoin bear. I'm just trying to stay realistic and just show you what I see in the charts. If you appreciate it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, turn the alarm bell on, because I don't want that you get wrecked. I'm warning you. I'm expecting that we see the same dump, and what we saw based on the past, this all dumps which you see here a dump, here a dump, here a dump, here a dump. It was between 20 and 90%, right? You see, if I measured from here to here, it's around 25 even percent. This was a bigger dump. If we measure from here to here, it's approximately 15%. If we measure it from the last dump, it was also approximately, just a moment, it was also approximately 50%. And guess what? If I measure it now, what I'm expecting from here, dump, and I hopefully, guys, hopefully we break this resistance line and see big pump and going into a bull market. But you know, the whales are shitting in our straight to our tongue, right? That we feel this taste of shit, right? And look at this. If we see at 10% at least a dump, we come to our resistance, which I'm expecting the first big resistance will be approximately 35,500, right? 35,500, a 10% dump. If we see 20% dump, we reaching to a 20% dump, we're reaching 30,000, and 30,000 is our price target from this weekly. If we watch on the weekly, there's another chart. I think this was here. Just a moment. Not, it was on this chart. No, it was on this chart. Yes, the price target of this, let me delete that line. The price target of huge rising wedge, which we broke here, is the price target of 30,000, right? You see, because the price target of a rising wedge is always the bottom of the wedge, and it's approximately at 30,000, right? So we would reach our price target. And I tell you, I'm expecting, based on the past, if we're watching on a daily candle, if we're watching this huge resistance line, this turquoise huge resistance line, I'm expecting to see a dump. It's too much similar patterns which we see. And I hope that we are getting an uptrend, right? But I try to be realistic, guys. Therefore, I'm also still in my short position, guys, which is right now only 35% in minus 554 in dollar. And here we see It's only 4% in loss right now, $100. So I'm expecting I will take profits at 35,600 approximately. This is the first area which I will take profits. But I'm expecting, and also why I'm expecting that we see the dump is because of our Wyckoff Wyckoff schematic one, right? Because this is what, if you don't know what I'm speaking about, watch the previous videos. We are expecting a dump which will break our previous bottom, right? You see a C point. This is what we see. Oh, it's too much right now. Open. This is what we see right here, right? I target here. This is the previous bottom, a C point, and we are expecting that we see a pump. Yes, a pump, and we don't know how high this pump will, but then we see a dump which will be go under the SC point, which will be then the new ST point. And under the SC point, there's not much room, man. It's 33,000, and the next ST point, it cannot be like 32,600. It will be something between 31,000 and between 29,000. This is the area between 31,000 and 29,000, which I'm expecting to see the new ST point, right? And if we see after the ST point a big pump again, right? Then we know we are in the phase B. We are in the accumulation schematic Wyckoff 1, right? So therefore, just a moment. Therefore, I'm also in nearly 50,000 short position because all the technicals, and you know, I showed you in the video in the afternoon. Also, I showed you this bearish divergence, which we still have on the 1 hourly. When we're watching, even though we have these pumps today throughout the day, on the 1 hourly, we see still this bearish divergence. You see, the RSI is going down, right, while the price is increasing. So it's still, we all the technicals are crying and shouting straight in our face, guys, don't let shit in your face. The whales are manipulating, and we will see this dump, right? For sure, if we tomorrow see big news coming in, and I don't know what will happen. Apple will allow to pay with Bitcoin, and I know America will also allow. There will be no dollar anymore. We will all pay with crypto. We will see a huge pump, right? But this is not what I'm expecting, right? The chance is very low. I would be happy if this would happen. So I am in the immediate short term thinking we will go to 35 at least at 37,800 to the previous low right here. But I'm expecting we will go lower to 35,600 and even under our SC point, according to the Wyckoff accumulation schematic 1, right? So guys, if you also want to trade, link down below. This is the only comment which I pin. 8,200 in bonus for free after initial deposit, right? You can claim, so for example on Bybit you can claim 4,100 for free, but you have to deposit, right? Bitcoin or USDT. Please read the requirements, but then you get your free money. So in total is 8,200 if you're a professional trader. If not professional trader, go and claim your bonus 8,200. Make a registration. It's very easy. It takes you 1 minute, and after initial deposit you can claim your bonus at 8,200, right, guys? So I hope I could give you again valuable information, and it is valuable information. And if you have any other opinion, write down below. Also, I didn't manage to do it right now because I have to go sleep. We have 12 o'clock in Dubai right now. And if you have any coin which I should do TA, do it, write it down below. I will consider it in the next video tomorrow in the morning. And also I wanted to show you one thing. We saw also exactly how I told you. We saw the S&P 500 today. It was very weak, right? if we are going on the daily time frame, it's very weak. It's sideways bearish. The bears obviously win today, right? So I don't think in this 1 hourly will see a big pump. I think this will be the candle which we close. So, and this is also reflecting what we see in the Bitcoin chart, right? And also what I forgot to say, if we close this 4 hourly, which is only 44 seconds, this I forgot, very important, guys. This is a called invert hammer candle, and this is super bearish candle, right? So I'm expecting until tomorrow the stock markets again opens, we can see big drop at Bitcoin price. This is what I'm personally expecting. It's not financial advice. Do your own research, and I'm not Nostradamus that I see in the future. It's just that what I see on the technical analysis. So this is, I can also show you if you don't trust me. Just a moment, I show you. You see, I show you the candles. You see, this is called invert hammer candle, and is the second most bearish candle, which is now closed, and we will see new 4 hourly candle which will open. You see, yes. So I'm expecting a big dump at least at 36,800. If you want also to trade, guys, link down below, 8,200 bonus after initial deposit for free. If you're not professional, claim your bonus, 8,200 after initial deposit. Links down below. This is the only comment, the first comment which I pin. You can use the links. Yes. Also, if you have Bybit and VMix account already, just open new account and transfer the money from or USDT or your Bitcoin to the new account, right? And claim your bonus 8,200 after initial deposit, right, guys? Thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe. This is the only thing what I want from you. This is for me a very nice and exciting feeling. Thank you also for everyone who's writing where is he watching from, because I like it very much. I'm used to be an actor, right? Or I'm still an actor, and it's very nice for my imagination if I just imagine like somebody from, I don't know, from Kenya or from India or from America watching right now. This video is very nice, and guys, thank you. I kiss you, and I see you tomorrow. Mwah.